Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Saturday. Weekend is started. Yes. Welcome. Yes, in today's newspaper of January. Yes, the 30th of January 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And the previous page, let me show you. We have also a regular quintuplet. I won't do any more quintuplets. It's taking too long. I need more than an hour to solve those quintuplets, but I will post a link below. Yes, if you like quintuplets, you can do this by yourself, but first I will solve this baby. Yes. Let me see. This will be number 2246. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, plus 4 is 26, plus 1, 27 printed digits. So it's a 1-star Sudoku if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. In additional, this will be a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the column in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see there 5. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 249. Alright. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 6 and the 5. 6. No. We have a 5. 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And then we have a pair. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same with the 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright, so 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in the first row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Okay. 4, 9, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. We see here 2 and the 4 here. So no 2, 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 8. Alright. 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. And the 3. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Three. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Then. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. So these 2 are pairs. Alright. In this row. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this gonna be 4 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7 up here. The third pair in this big square are the 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2 are missing. Yeah. 1 pair, 2 pair, the third pair, second pair. The first pair, second pair, third pair. Yes. Alright. And now. So 2 missing numbers now. We have a pair, 6 and 8. Those 2 numbers, 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers missing. In this big square, we have a 6 and a 8. These 2 should be the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column, 4 and an 8, 4 and an 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. How about 2, 6, 4? 2, 4. All right. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 7 there, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this row, 6 and an 8. 6 and an 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this is going to be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. Alright. So we have an 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 here. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are missing. 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. The 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 9 and the 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. I like this medium Sudoku, and I'm very, very pleased with the time. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the... I have not seen the newspaper, so I don't know if there are any extra Sudokus in additional. So have a great Saturday, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, keep on puzzling. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.